So the first problem is a missing or broken resistor. This is the end of line resistor. If we remove one leg to simulate a broken resistor, we'll get an open circuit on the fire alarm panel. And as a technician, we found the problem, reinstalled the resistor, and cleared the circuit. So if you're troubleshooting an open circuit for the first time, you want to find a circuit that's good. Here we have a circuit that has an end of line resistor. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take our meter and we want to measure what the normal voltage is with the resistor across the circuit. And we look over here and we see that our normal circuit is 20 volts. It's negative because I have my polarity reversed. Then after that, what you do is you take one leg off, put the system in trouble, silence it. Then you go back and grab your meter again, put it back on the circuit. Then you look at the voltage. Oh, that's 24 volts. So now you record that. So you know 20 volts is a supervised circuit, 24 volts is an open circuit. So now you can figure out what the problem is. So you'll know that you either have a broken wire or a missing resistor. So your job after that is to figure out where it's at. You take the wires off and then you start troubleshooting. That's how you can figure out how you can fix an open circuit.